Lucid employs a convention over configuration approach and does a lot based on some set of conventions. Some of these conventions includes the database name, which is always the lowercase and plural form of the model name. That is, the database table for the post model will be posts. Another convention that Lucid uses is that the ID column is set as the primary key by default. Also, table column names are defined as camel case inside a model and as snake case inside the database. Of course, we can override these default conventions however we like. For instance, we can name our database table differently by defining a static property on the model. Public static table. Then whatever we want the table name to be, say articles. Now, the post model will make use of a articles table instead of the default posts table. We can do the same for the primary key. Public static primary key. Then whatever column we want as the primary key, say article underscore ID. Now, the article underscore ID column will be set as the primary key. We can also name a column differently by making use of the column name option on the @column decorator. That is column name. Then the name we want, say article underscore ID. I'm a fan of convention over configuration, so I tend to stick with the defaults most of the time. So I'm going to get rid of this and this as well.